Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about libraries and packages in Python. First of all, we'll discuss what the libraries and packages actually are. So first of all, we'll discuss what are the libraries. Libraries are actually a collection of modules that contain pre-written code and functionalities to perform specific tasks. Examples include numerical Python for numerical computing, pandas for data manipulations, and matplot library for plotting. Packages. A package is a way to organize multiple related modules into a directory structure. It includes a special file to indicate that the directory should be treated as a package. It's used for geometric calculations as well. Now we'll discuss about these very popular libraries like numerical Python, pandas, and matplot libraries. First of all, first of all, numeric Python. Numerical Python is a very powerful library for numerical computing in Python. The key features of this library are array objective. It provides the object for creating and manipulating arrays, homogeneous data types, allowing for effective mathematical operations. Then, vectorized operations. Numerical Python utilizes vectorized operations for element-wise calculations, enhances performance by avoiding the need for explicit looping. Broadcasting. It implicit element-wise operations on array of different shapes and size and simplifies codes and to improve readability. Mathematical functions. It has comprehensive set of mathematical functions for array operations, trigonometry, linear algebra, statistical functions, and many others. Next one is Pandas. It's also a powerful Python library for data manipulations and analysis. The key feature of Pandas are it provides data structures like data frames for effective data handling and offers tools for reading, writing, and cleaning data sets. The last one is Matplot library. It's a versatile Python library for creating static, interactive, and animated visualization. The key features of this library are it provides a wide range of chart types, line plots, bar charts, scatter plots, histograms, and many others, and also highly customizable for creating publication quality graphics. Now we'll discuss a little bit about namespaces. Libraries and packages introduce namespaces, which help avoiding name conflict. In Python, namespaces refers to containers that hold a set of names mapping to objects such as variables, functions, classes, etc. Libraries and packages in Python use namespaces to organize and manage the names within them. Accessing a function or class from a library might involve using the library's name as a prefix. It also has the types like module namespace, package namespace, global namespace, and local namespace. Now we discuss about the installation and importing of libraries and packages as well. Libraries, first of all, we discuss about the installation. So libraries and packages are not part of Python standard library, but can be installed using package manager like pip. For example, pip install numerical Python, install the numerical Python library. So we just have to give that command. It's so easy to install different libraries in Python. Moving toward the importing. Like installation, importing is not difficult. It's also very easy. You just have to give one command. To use a module, library, or package in Python script or program, you need to import it using the import keyword. For example, import numerical Python. Import numerical Python is a command that we give and it imports that library. So it's not very difficult. So installation and importing both are very easy. You just have to give a little command for both and then you can easily use it. So lastly, we'll discuss little examples of the libraries we have discussed previously, like numerical Python, pandas, and matplotlib library. So first of all, we discuss the example of numerical Python. So in numerical Python, first of all, as for all libraries, we have to import that library which we want to use. So first we import numerical Python and we use NP as a short form for numerical Python to import it. Then we create the array and we perform the operations on that array, whatever operation we want. So the basic function of this library, it provides a variety of mathematical functions. We can uh, apply that functions on the numbers which we provide. Like we can calculate the mean of the element. We can multiply them. We can add them. We can get the sum. We can get the mode and different kind of functions we can perform on the numbers and the data set we provide in numerical Python. Moving towards pandas, as numerical Python, first of all, we have to import it. Then in pandas, we create pandas series. We create pandas data frames and access that data frame. As pandas is used to deal with the data set, every kind of data. Panda provides a variety of functions for data analysis. Like we can calculate the average age in data frame. We can clean different kind of data. Pandas is widely used for data cleaning, manipulation tasks in data science and machine learning. It is very essential tool for mm, dealing with different kind of data. So moving toward the last one, which is matplotlib. Library is used for plotting. So first we import that library and then we provide different kind of data on which we want to perform different functions and then we want to plot that data. So Matplotlib library helps us to plot that data in different kinds of diagrams, in different kind of graph, histograms, and many other things. So we provide data and then we perform different functions. So Matplot library is very useful for plotting. These are some basic examples of these libraries. So for today, that's it. If you have any questions, you can ask.